Describe 1996 and being in the worst storm in the history of Everest.
So I was camped at 8,000 meters, Camp 4, during a storm which would end up killing 8 people. This is what risk is really like. It's not so much the, oh my God, I've got to step across the abyss. That's actually not all that difficult. It's more, I'm in a storm at 8,000 meters, we can't escape, and conditions are getting steadily worse, and we don't know how bad this is going to get. We've got limited supplies of food and oxygen and physical energy and mental capacity. And we don't know. That's what real risk and rising fear feels like. That uncertainty. And frankly, being caught in the storm at 8,000 meters